This is an easy, healthy, and spicy vegetarian Chinese meal. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a spicy bean sprout stir fry. Stay tuned. This is a quick vegetarian stir fry. You're going to need a few ingredients, and you can use the veggies that you have on hand. I'm using fresh bean sprouts, green onions, carrots, red chilies for the spicy, and some minced garlic and ginger. For the sauce, I'm using a vegetarian oyster sauce, and you can use regular, some soy sauce, and a little sesame oil. So let's get started. And just a note, this will go quickly, so make sure that you have everything prepped and ready to go. In a wok or a pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some peanut oil, my minced garlic, and ginger, giving that a stir for about 30 seconds, and then adding in my julienne carrots, cooking and stirring for another minute. Next are my red chilies and bean sprouts, giving that a good toss and cooking for a couple minutes. Adding in my green onions, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. This is the vegetarian oyster sauce that I am using. It really has some great flavor. Cooking and stirring for another minute. Finally, I'm adding in a drizzle of sesame oil, giving that a good toss, and it's done. You don't want to cook this too long as you want the vegetables to remain nice and crunchy. Garnishing with some black sesame seeds and some additional fresh julienne veggies on top. This simple and easy stir fry has lots of flavor with the garlic, ginger, the sauces, and sesame oil. The red chilies add a good level of heat. You can serve this as a side dish for lunch or dinner. I hope you give this easy vegetarian Chinese bean sprout stir fry a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.